We have a Toyota Aygo X in for the can immobiliser. Comes with free tag, leather case and Faraday bag. We do lifetime warranty. We give you spare battery, emergency override in the pack as well for the tag. So the tag's present. So if we just start the vehicle, you'll see the main beam and the fog light flash together. Vehicle starts and runs. Switch it off, watch the dash. A couple of seconds later you get a flash to say it's armed. Double flash. I'll now hide the tag. So tag's away in the bag. This is purely for convenience. It's obviously more secure to use the PIN code, but if you've got a busy day and you want to get in and out, you don't want to keep putting the code in, it's a really good solution. Or you can pair your mobile phone. So if we try and start the vehicle now, foot on the brake, press start, will not go to ready. Switch it off, let it reset. So ignition on. If you watch the dashboard, I'll enter the customer's demo code quickly. Flash there of the main beam and the fog light, foot on the brake, vehicle starts. Switch it off. If you watch the dash lights, you'll get a double flash, main beam there and the fog light. That's to confirm it won't start. So we try and start it again. Nothing at all, completely dead. So that's the can immobiliser, supply and fitted Toyota Aygo X. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Lit Car Security, 0330 012 9028.